Welcome back to a new tutorial, guys. Today you'll learn how to automatically detect out of stock products, notify your team on Slack, and create a restock request email, all without the manual checks. This workflow connects Google Sheets, Slack, and Gmail, performing multi-step logic. It scans your product inventory, filter all zero stock products, sends a real-time Slack alert for each one, automatically emails your supplier with a list of items that need replenishing. This is perfect for e-commerce managers, inventory teams, or store owners who want full automation between stock tracking, communication, and supplier coordination. So this workflow will fetch product inventory from Google Sheets, will detect all the items with zero or low stock, will send a Slack alert for each affected product, will create and send a supplier email with a full restock list, will update Google Sheets to mark items as pending restock. So let's start the workflow, guys. First, you have the Google Sheets node to fetch inventory data. So his purpose is to read the current stock from your Google Sheets product list. Operation will be read, and the expected headers will be the product, the quantity, and the supplier email. What it does will fetch all your stock data for automated processing in the next steps. Next step is the if node, detect low or out of stock. His purpose is to filter only the products that have a quantity smaller or equal with 2. You see this JSON quantity smaller or equal to 2. This routes low and zero stock items for alerting and restock processing. After that, you have the Slack node. His purpose is to notify your internal staff about the low stock products. So you have the channel inventory alerts and the text low stock alerts, product JSON product, quantity JSON quantity, supplier JSON supplier email, and the message please verify if a restock is needed. This sends a Slack alert for every product below or equal to 2 units in stock. After that, you have the merge node. His purpose is to combine all the low stock items into one batch for supplier email creation. So the mode will be wait, because it aggregate all the products alert into a single JSON array for email processing. After the merge node, you have the set node to prepare the email. This purpose is to build a restock message listing all low stock products. So the subject will be restock request and now, and the text will be like this. Hello, the following product need restocking. JSON map, product, quantity, and join. Please confirm estimated delivery dates. Regard inventory automation bot. Okay, what it does, format all the collected low stock products into an easy to read email message. Let's continue. And we continue with the Gmail node to send the restock email. His purpose is to automatically send the formatted email to suppliers. So you have the subject JSON subject, and the message will be like this. Please supply our stock again. What it does, emails your supplier automatically with all products that need restocking. Okay, here you can put directly JSON dollar JSON body. Okay, let's put it as you say here, JSON body. Okay, that is. So the message will be that's the JSON body. After that, you will have the Google Sheets update status. His purpose is to mark all the low stock items as pending restock to prevent the duplicate alerts. So you have the operation to update. His purpose is to keep your Google Sheets synchronized and prevent duplicate alerts for the same product. And the column set will be the status is if it's pending restock. And it will mark all the low stock items as pending restock to prevent duplicate alerts. Thank you guys for watching this, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.